I'm Zanzi. Welcome back. Your Feel Good Breakfast Show, and we are about to make you feel good. Why? Because Yaki Lo is in the building and he's rock stages for over 27 years. But now he's turning the volume down a little bit to talk about something deeper. Now his new single, Wees Lief, released during Men's Mental Health Month, which is a powerful reminder that before the world can love you, you have to love yourself. So before we even chat to this man, let's listen to the music.
Lief vir die lewe, leer om te vergewe. Jy's die refleksie van jouself. As jy wil wees, wees dit jouself. Jy's al wat jy het, jy's al wat jy het. Wees lief vir wie en wat jy is.
Ladies and gentlemen, Yaki Lo in the building! Yes! Shower you with love, bro. Welcome back. How you doing?
Goed, gaan lekker. Is busy?
Ja?
Is lekker in Kaapstad. Is lekker om te wees.
It's koud in Kaapstad.
Reën.
Ja.
Maar dis Kaapstad, dis my belly, weet. Ek kom ons maar van jou af. En is lekker om te wees, man.
Yeah, man, it's good to have you back, and I can just feel the warmth in you. Last time you were here, we were doing crazy things, fun things, much like Yaki Lo that we know.
Yes.
We had a donkey that we were wearing, but it seems like we've taken a bit of a shift, man, and I feel like you've had an incredible 27-year journey so far, and somewhat of a reflective time for Yaki Lo. What's happening here?
Ja, weet jy, I think in die winter love songs, jy weet.
Yes.
In die somer party songs.
Yeah.
In winter, so
Tis the season.
Ek dink is maar ek kan nou skryf ja vir die man, wat lief is vir die vrou en vrou is vir die man. It's been done, you know.
Yes.
Ek dink selfliefde. Dis belangrik, jy weet. As jy vir jouself kan lief wees, kan jy vir die mense om jou lief wees en jy moet vir jouself in die spieël kyk en sê jy's goed genoeg. I love you. I think you're a great guy, you're a kind guy en gaan vorentoe in jou lewe.
More than enough, eh?
Exactly. En glo as jy wil wees jouself. Jy is nie gemaak om iemand anders te wees nie. Weet jy hoef nie ander mense se idee van sukses te wees nie. Jy hoef niemand te please regtig nie, verstaan? As jy vir jouself kan please en jy kan vir die Here please, dan is jy fine, you know.
That's the real success.
So vir my gaan dit oor selfliefde en ek dink hierdie ding is daar's baie mense, vol mans wat voel met tawe is altyd, I've got to be the breadwinner, verstaan? Maar partykeer moet hulle na self kyk en sê, hoorie, so jy's genoeg. It's fine. Don't be somebody else who is song.
And Yaki, I think this is such a brilliant time to be having this conversation. It is Men's Mental Health Awareness Month, and I think that pressure you speak of, that especially men put on themselves to serve, to be the breadwinner, it's unnecessary, especially when you aren't in that space and you might be going through something. Where do men then turn to? How do we deal with this?
Exactly,
right?
ja. So ek het 'n ding begin leer as ek na gig toe ry. Okay, so ek's nou op pad na gig toe, want ek sien lus vir die gig nie. Dis koud en dis laat en ek weet daar's miskien in 'n kroeg of iets vir die mense kuier. Ek sien lus daarvoor nie. Ek gaan van my gesin af te sê ek vir myself, Jakkie, hierdie gaan okay wees. Jy het nie meer slegte gigs nie. Die gigs altyd lekker. Dis 3 pikke wyne, dis donkie, dis
all the good stuff,
Exactly. So enjoy it en dan kom ek daar aan en is 'n ongelooflike ervaring. Ek spreek dit amper uit voor ek aankom. And that is amazing. Verstaan? So ek dink vir die mense wat kyk, nou daar's baie mense wat nodig het om te hoor. Jy's goed in wat jy doen. You're good in what you do and just enjoy life and spreek dit uit voordat jy dit gaan doen,
Man, I love that, and I've never felt this wisdom from you in the past, and I'm loving this era that you're in. It's like a new crescendo for Yaki Lo. But in terms of what you've personally faced, there's a lot of pressure that you're going through, and there's always this sentiment of together is more powerful. How have you taken this in your sort of mantra as you've been going through this journey and going through everything you're dealing with?
Ja, kyk, nommer 1 is family.
Nice.
Familie is baie belangrik. I do a lot of gigs. 2024 I did 220 gigs, okay?
220 gigs?
Yeah, so that's pretty much Yaki Lo shows in die aande, dis Frank Sinatra shows vir die corporates, dis Popeka shows vir die kinders.
Sure.
In die oggende, feeste wat ons 3-4 shows 'n dag doen. So
playing in all the spaces now.
Everywhere. I do Zulu songs, I do English songs, Afrikaans songs, I do everything. I go to Dubai, I go everywhere. Maar nou is al familie. You've got to go home. So ek het vir my vrou gesê toe ons trou jare terug gesê ek vir Nel, ek gaan altyd weggaan. Maar ek gaan altyd terugkom. En dit is die belangrike ding, verstaan? So om dit en dan basically oral gaan as ek alleen, I'm alone, but I've learned to love myself and enjoy life. En sê vir jouself in die spieeltjie daar as jy werk toe ry, vandag gaan 'n great dag wees, man. Want ek dink I love myself and it's not a windgat thing. It's not a windgat thing, it's a self-love thing.
Yes.
Everybody around you.
Affirmation, man, reminding
Absolutely,
yourself of the truth.
Yeah.
That's what it is. And the truth is that we are so grateful that you keep coming back to the Feel Good Breakfast Show and sharing
Thank
your
you.
music with us. I love the fact that we're going to get to hear that. But I want to know about how these songs are impacting you in terms of the struggle, that struggle when we're going through silence, when we're not able
Yeah.
to have these conversations. Are you able to express yourself better through music or through
Absoluut.
conversation?
Musiek is die een taal wat nie kan vertaal word nie. As ek
Ah, okay,
verstaan.
yeah.
So you've got to understand music and music can make you feel stuff. Ek kan baie liedjies sing. Ek kan baie goeters vir mense sing, hulle gaan dit vergeet. Maar hoe jy iemand laat voel, gaan hulle nooit vergeet. Ek het 'n liedjie geskryf 1 miljoen woorde jare gelede.
Sure.
En 1 miljoen woorde gaan oor kanker. Dit gaan oor hoe mense deel met kanker en almal, ek sê altyd almal het iemand in die hemel, jy weet. En daai kom mense na my en sê my ma is oorlede 2 jaar terug aan kanker en daai liedjie het my so gehelp soos medisyne. En daai is die ding, dis ook deel met dit, jy weet. Dis maar musiek help my. Baie keer skryf ek liedjies as ek ry. Dan gooi ek vinnige chorus hier nie.
So like therapy, actually.
Ja,
yeah.
absoluut. Ek vind my pa is nou 85 hierdie jaar, né?
Sure.
En my ma is 79. En ek sê vir my pa, jy weet, ma gaan pa se laaste soen wees, pa se laaste liefde wees, pa se laaste alles. En daar's 'n liedjie. Jy sal my laaste wees.
Sure.
You know?
Yeah.
So music speaks in a different taal, jy weet.
It gives you a different feeling, which I think words can't even express, but it does make you
Exactly.
feel that feeling. And Yaki Lo is here to do exactly that, Mzansi, make us feel, and especially reminding us that you need to look in the mirror and tell yourself that you are enough. You are blessed with everything you need to take on the day. No matter how cold it may be, you are the fire. And I can't wait for that performance of Yaki. Thank you for coming through, reminding us that warmth can be found in many places, and
Exactly.
especially right here at your Feel Good Breakfast Show. Carissa, how are you feeling out there? Are we warming you up?